Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can create a zip archive in the CloudConvert application or inside your CloudConvert account. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the CloudConvert file converter, log into your account, and then navigate to tools here at the top. And then you will see these various conversion or converting tools. So what you want to do is navigate to archives and click into create archive. Then guys, you may enter or choose the files you would like to have archived in a zip file. All right, so click into this button to navigate to those files on your device. I will go with these here and then upload them here and choose the output file format, which is in this case zip archive. You can also go RAR or this one here, and do this by clicking into create a archive here. You will see the file size, the document type, and start doing the archiving. And as you can see, it has been saved into a zip file. You may download it and unpack it on your device if you like, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll catch you later.